audio sucks. The audio sucks. It's all staticky. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Mad Living. And today I'm going to be sleeping in my Jeep. It's going to be getting down to about 27 degrees. In fact 27 degrees, so it did drop a little bit more. So since the temperatures are going to be down to freezing temps or below freezing, 26, 27, I'm just going to sleep out in my driveway in my Jeep because I kind of want to experience it. And right now I'm just getting started, so it really doesn't matter where I'm at. I just kind of want to do it and just kind of see what's working, see what I need, see what I want to get, see what I want to change. And then go from there. So yeah, stay tuned. It should be pretty interesting. All right, here we go. Well, I put I got a new step for my Jeep just because it was kind of a pain to get in and out the last couple of times, so pick something up like this to help get in and out, warm up the Jeep a little bit before I crash. And let's see here. There we go. All locked in. Let's turn on some other lights in here. Yeah, it helps a little bit. Oh, maybe not. Stand by. Need to get some better lighting in here. But yeah, I'm just warming up the Jeep for a few minutes before I get in bed and kind of crash. It's 28 degrees. I'm not sure if it'll get much colder. I thought it was going to get down to 27, but it's still pretty cold, so we'll see how the night goes. But let me get some lighting straightened out here. It's actually not that cold in the Jeep yet, so I'm just gonna shut her down right now. I'm good. Yeah, so I got a little bit more headspace. You know, in the back here, the ceiling is raised, 6 or 7 inches more, or maybe a little bit more, so I can actually sit up. And still do a lot of things, like when I take off my jacket and stuff like that, or put on my hat. So that does make it nice. Other than that, it's pretty cramped, but I'm liking it. It's not extremely cold right now, so but I'm gonna crack a window because I like the ventilation, and then kind of see how the night goes. So stay tuned. All right, it is 5:43 in the morning. It's definitely cold, but this 0 degree bag works pretty well. So when you're cooped up in this thing, all bundled up, there's definitely no complaints. But inside the vehicle, of course, it's chilly. There's really no frost or big ice buildup on the windshield, the windows, or anything like that. So it's not bad. But one thing that I'm definitely going to invest in is some sunshades for all the windows. I may have mentioned this in one of my other videos, but so I'm gonna get out.
gonna get out this puppy. Oh, another thing too that I recommend, or that works better because it's so tight in here, is getting, you know, kind of have your layers on that you're gonna sleep in, and underneath whatever you're wearing, and then just kind of be ready. Because even though it's a 0-degree bag, I still like to have like long john pants and a long sleeve. I actually just slept in a t-shirt last night and it was perfectly fine. I think you could sleep in less, but I still, because then when you get out of your bag, it's still cold in here. So that layer is nice. But yeah, that bag is pretty sweet. Another thing too, my boots. So when I get in through the back, I have to take my boots off. So lately, you know, they've been dry, but I need to figure out somewhere to take my boots off. Right now they're on this table, which actually works out pretty slick, but when it starts getting wet and it's icy, it's cold, it's muddy, you know, it might be a little bit different situation. So I don't know how well that's going to work. So we will see on that. I mean, right now it's fine. Let's see if this one opens up. Oh yeah, my handles are frozen. It won't even open. Let's see if I can get the window rolled up. Yep. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go inside, go to the bathroom. If I have a couple of other things to point out, I will definitely throw them in here. Other than that, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be plenty more of these cold car, winter, freezing campings, but hopefully more way off the grid. So happy holidays, everyone.